I think about the music even more than I think about sex. Runs for dinosaur times, call me Tyrannosaurus Rex. The end of my tether has it shit together. Got miles of stars like Melbourne weather. Tennis or surfing or soccer or cricket. I've been rehearsing beats, so you know I'm gonna kick it. I won't talk about what's got nothing to do with me. Just the 1, the 4, the 2 and the 3. So you will not hear me talk about the size of my dick, because I'm blatantly creating the stadium real quick. And I do not go pretending that I'm from New York, although I loved it when I visited. I did not talk like a guy from the Bronx just to get accepted. And what I am and what I am is connected. The cryptic mystic, give me beats and I can kick it. You wanna rack? My beats smack. Think about music, think about beats. You wanna choose one of my breakbeat trees. Think about music, think about beats. The music, the beats. I cook a hell stir fry with the marinated tofu. Got breaks that makes you think I'm Jonah Lomu. Never cook with meat but I'm a strict vegetarian. Like fat beets and some chocolate Bavarian. Sometimes I stay home for peace and quiet. Don't have to go out just cause it's Saturday night. I like exotic, erotic, hypnotic, platonic. They say I'm typical Taurian, I don't know what they mean. Well, occasionally I miss my friends in Melbourne. Occasionally I bring them up and tell them. Born in Newcastle just like Silverchair. I've still got a lot of my family there. My favourite colours, orange, yellow, red and purple then green. I like the Earl Grey, a little bit of Darjeeling. I drink a lot of coffee, got the cafes all sussed. Soy is an option but beats are a must. Think about music, think about beats. You wanna choose one of my breakbeat trees. Think about music, think about beats. The music, the beats.
Shrunk and to Berserker like those nature documentaries and a bit of South Park. I do not have a telly cause the shit is humdrum. Never bought a new car but I have driven one to give a shit. I don't ride a bike cause the 4-wheel style, it's the one I like. My skateboard, it's my transportation. Take care in the wet or precipitation. When I needed money, I tried working last year. I drink water, tea, coffee, veggie juices, Milo and beer. I got the past, the new, it's in everything I do. And all I've been through, so I
think about music, think about beats. You wanna choose one of my breakbeat trees. Think about music, think about beats. The music, the beats.
Thank you.